Hello, in front of me I've got HUAWEI NOVA 9 SE. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's enter settings and go to display and brightness. As you can see right here, we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where we can change between automatic brightness and manual. We can enable or disable dark mode, eye comfort mode as scheduled, and enable all day. Then we can turn on or off ebook mode, change text size and weight, display size, sleep time between 15 seconds and 10 minutes, manage color mode and temperature between normal, vivid and manual, enable or disable smart resolution, change screen refresh rate between dynamic, high and standard, manage full screen display for apps, hide notch, display carrier name and display network speed. And that's all for our display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.